Sometimes it seems like I'm being a fangirl over a saw blade, but I just can't tell you how much this saw makes my life easier. My name is Dan Sermiac. I'm with American Architectural Graphics. Been in this line of work for 22 years, and I just recently started using the Morse Blade, and I give it an A rating. I want to say the longevity, because that's definitely a plus, but it's the accuracy of the cut is what gets me. There is no wobble, which means the 45 is an accurate 45, and I need accurate 45s to do my line of work. And when a blade wobbles, it can very easily be 29 degrees, 31 degrees instead of 30. With the Morse Blade, we get 30 degree, no questions asked. I took a brand new blade from the competition and took it off to put on a used Morse Blade. I preferred the Morse Blade used compared to a brand new blade from another company. It's hands down the best I've used in the last 22 years. And the longevity of the blade, I would say, is close to double. So it definitely has life in cutting aluminum. In this line of work, you can hurt your ears very easily. And so having a quiet tool is a plus. And this is definitely quiet when you're doing the actual cut. One of my favorite parts about the cut is the actual finish of the cut. It's such a smooth finish, it almost preps itself for the paint process. Almost looks like it's been hit with a DA and prepped, just from the blade itself. One of the major parts of my job is making street signs, where I have to table saw. And having that cut be perfectly straight with no wobble is crucial, and as a major plus for the Morse Blade is keeping a nice straight cut. When I'm doing balcony railing, sometimes you want something ornamental, and same thing there. Any burrs on the cut can make the finishing process much harder.